stories about your dark period growing up. And I'll still be here waiting tables at the grill party in the cemetery to waste of space on town lifers. Go home, Jeremy, because I will flip crap myself. We'll just go back to time.
Miss Pierce.
Please, call me Kelly. What are you? What are you?
You know.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Or you wouldn't be here.
It's not possible. It can't be.
Everything you know and every belief that you have is about to change. Are you ready for that?
What are you?
I'm a vampire.
I shouldn't have come.
Please.
No. How did you do that?
Please don't be afraid of me.
Let me go.
There's things that you have to know and understand.
Let me go.
Please. Elena. I would never hurt you. You're safe with me.
All those animal attacks, those people who died.
That was Damon. Yes. I don't drink human blood. That's not how I choose to survive, but Damon does. I'll explain everything to you, but I beg you, Elena, do not tell anybody.
How can you ask me that?
Because knowing this is dangerous. For so many reasons. You can hate me, but I need you to trust me.
Just go. Just go, please. Go. If you mean me no harm, then you'll go.
I never wanted this. I want my ring. Where are you? I'm at the Sizzler. I'm at the buffet. Where's my ring? I don't have it. Where are you? What have you done? No. What have you done? You're the one that locked me in the basement and starved me, so whatever I've done, wherever I've sucked dry is on you, buddy. You're being careless. I'm in Morello, Texas. Is town gonna believe, huh? I know how to cover my tracks, Steph. Where's my ring? I gave it to Zach to hide. Probably shouldn't have killed him. You almost got me. Where is it? I'll get it back, but I need time.
Would you FedEx it to Rome? Where is it? I want my ring, Stefan.
My next stop's Elena's.
I already want you dead. Don't give me another reason to make it happen.
Don't give me another reason to rip you apart.
Yeah. Is that gonna be before or after you get your ring back?
Just get it.